How to check FPS on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to check FPS on iPhone. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone and type your iPhone model along with FPS in the search bar. For example, iPhone 12 FPS. Here, you will find information about the FPS capabilities of your specific iPhone model. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Camera, then tap on Record Video. Here, you can check the FPS setting for video recording, such as 30 FPS, 60 FPS, or higher, depending on your iPhone model. After that, tap on Record Slow-Mo to check the FPS settings for slow motion videos. Finally, go to the Format section under the camera settings to check the format and how it may affect the FPS. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.